Hey everybody, it's Jared with Thayer Design Build, and I'm here today for a final walkthrough of a modern double bathroom remodel over here on Timber Hill in Corvallis. For this project, we've removed a lot of builder grade finishes and upgraded to some beautiful design elements that I'm excited to share with you. So let's go take a look. Right over here, we initially had a tub with a tiled deck and a fiberglass shower surround with a wall separating it. And so what we did is we took all of that out and we framed in this new tub deck with some large format tiles and a quartz top on it and put in this nice oversized tub. And we took out this wall and we put in this beautiful open tiled shower with dual shower heads in it and some nice grab bars and this large glass door as well. With this glass door, one detail that you'll notice is right over here, there's no brackets that are attaching it to the wall, and the same goes with right along this here as well. So what we did is there's a Schluter channel that we installed and we buried it inside of the tile, and what that allows us to do is to install this glass without having an unsightly bracket in there. So one of my favorite parts about this project is this area right here. You can see that we transitioned from a builder grade vanity and we now have this beautiful floating custom vanity with this bold blue to it, and it's tied in really well with the wallpaper that's on here. Some elements in this cabinetry that I really appreciate are like these custom drawers where this panel would normally be underutilized, just left blank. Well, we were able to make a drawer out of it for additional storage. Another thing that we did in here is the medicine cabinets are both recessed and protruding out, so they're extra deep. They have an outlet in here for toothbrushes. I love the symmetry that you see between the medicine cabinets and these lights. Something you might not notice is that up top here we have these speakers that are Bluetooth, allows the client to be able to rock out while in this space. I love that this is a floating vanity too, instead of having your traditional toe kick. And within this space, we have a flush vent floor mount produced by Aria. We transitioned from a hard, cold tile floor to the soft, warm LVT. A couple of other minor elements that we did was like transitioning this door from a white 6-panel standard door to this nice CVG fur. That's about it for this bathroom. Let's go take a look at the other. In this guest bathroom remodel, we kept things a little bit more simple. So we reused the existing vanity, we reused the existing sink and faucets, and we just replaced the countertop. We put in a new backsplash, we replaced the mirror and the fixtures along with the shower, and we replaced the floor and got rid of the wainscoting. So right behind me, we transitioned from a fiberglass shower surround, and we open up this space as well. So traditionally when they build these homes with a fiberglass surround, it's not a custom size. And so there was actually some wasted space right over here that we were able to reclaim when we remodeled this space. Overall, this was a pretty minor upgrade in relation to the other project that we did. That way we could just get this home fully completed. While we're here, I thought I'd just show you this handrail system that we completed a few years ago for this client. It's a pretty nice CVG fur top right on here. Nice steel, powder coated newel posts, along with these rods coming in between here out of stainless steel. Overall, a super clean, modern look. Another project that we completed a few years ago is this fireplace surround. So again, we have a real clean CVG fur top with some large format tile surround and a heat and glow fireplace. I hope you've enjoyed seeing these bathrooms transform. If you know someone who could benefit from a similar transformation, please share this video with them. Thank you, and I'll see you next time.